Put your hands behind your back. You have a possible warrant, so you're being detained.
What's wrong with you? You should and now we're both going.
I'm trying to get the gun.
What, Jason?
Stop.
You're why couldn't you stay calm?
Monica, if you would please just step out for me.
No, sir, she does not have to step out.
I'm not talking. It's Eddy County. It's a warrant out of Eddy County.
Eddy County?
Yep.
For what? For what?
For traffic stuff.
For traffic stuff.
Okay.
For
Yes.
traffic stuff in Eddy
Yes.
County.
She has a warrant. Well, you have one. I'm telling you right now. So I'm giving you a lawful order to step out, or you're going to catch extra charges. I'm the sergeant on duty right now.
You could call your.
Well, that's not how it works, bud. She has a warrant, so she's going to step out.
You guys been.
Sorry. No one's harassing you. She has an active warrant.
What do you mean?
She has. Have I pulled you over before?
Why'd you pull me?
Have I pulled you over before?
Yeah.
I don't remember ever pulling you over.
Exactly. Well, then why am I gonna get it?
Yeah, I am. Because you're driving. Because you're driving. I need to make sure you have a valid driver's
What did
license.
I do? What did I get pulled over for?
Okay.
There's no reason.
Well, you've obviously I've made contact with her and you've interjected yourself. So
That's my wife.
okay, well, first it was her business and then you made it your business because she has a warrant. And you're making it hard for me to do my job right now, man.
Yeah, because you're making it hard for
Okay,
us.
well, it doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't have to be hard.
We're just barely getting situated.
Well, it doesn't have to be. I don't know anyone's situations.
Exactly.
All I know is she has a valid warrant for her arrest, man. Okay, all right. Monica, can
My
you?
department's fucking.
Okay.
It's from Eddy County, you're saying?
Yes, ma'am.
And the one from
Yes.
Doña
So
showing
I'm telling you right now, you need to step out. I don't see any warrant from Doña Ana. I see one from Eddy County.
Talking to her like that.
So please step out of the car for me.
And you can ask her
Okay.
politely.
I already have. Okay. I already have. So Monica, step out, please.
Fucking fantastic.
And we need your license and proof of insurance.
Why do you need all that? If they
Because he's driving the vehicle, I need to make sure you guys have insurance.
Somebody else, I'm gonna. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, well, you have a warrant. We have to take care of it. You guys have not been cooperative.
Insurance is? That way he can give it to
Okay,
them?
well, they're already getting him out of the car, so come over here. Ma'am, just come over here.
No matter how close you are to a criminal, behaving irrationally to shield them won't change the minds of the cops. End of the day, this world plays by rule, not by emotion. Sadly, both Monica and her husband had to realize this the hard way.
You're being stopped.
Let's start this over. What am I being pulled over for?
I have no idea. I
Okay,
just
why
got
don't you
here.
go find out, sir.
No, you're gonna get out of the vehicle.
Identify yourself or you're going to jail.
I'm gonna do
Get out or you're getting tased. I'm not playing around.
You
Get
know
out.
me.
Get out.
You know me.
Get
Watch
out.
my dog.
Watch my dog. I'm not gonna tell you.
You know
Place
me.
it.
Watch it. Don't. I'm not getting the business.
Put your hands behind your back. You have a possible warrant, so you're being detained.
What's wrong with you? You should and now we're both going.
I'm trying to get the gun.
What, Jason?
Stop.
You're why couldn't you stay calm?
Now you're under arrest.
What? Because I'm trying to get
Concealing
my shit.
identity.
I'm trying to get my
You're
dog.
going to jail.
How can I? But I'm getting my ID.
You weren't. That's the problem.
Sir,
So-
my boy is in the back.
So you can go. You need to go get our kid and calm down.
No, he's going to jail. It's done.
What?
He's concealing his identity.
He's not concealing his identity. They didn't stop him for anything.
I asked
They
you
stopped
why
him because I had a warrant. They didn't stop him for
Yeah,
anything.
I asked what I was getting pulled over for. And then you guys want to pull me
My
over
body
like that?
cam got knocked off.
Especially you.
Is it up?
When we ask you your name and you don't want to tell us, that's fine. You're going to jail.
I said I asked you what I'm being pulled over for.
And that's not how it works.
You know me.
That's not how it works.
You know me. You treat me like that?
Yep, I'm taking you to jail right now. What's your name?
Jason Lucero, you know it.
Jason Lucero.
Yeah, you took me last time.
Can I do the front and stuff?
No, man, we can do that.
Hold you guys up.
All you gotta do is listen, man. This would be a totally different
Okay,
story.
So check this out.
Totally different story.
You guys my wife more than once. Now you personally.
So if she has a warrant, she's gotta go to jail.
That's the thing. She didn't.
You want us not to do our job?
No,
She has a jail. She has a warrant right now.
I'm not gonna do anything stupid. So she know me.
Get him out of there.
I ain't trying to do anything stupid with her.
You gotta understand, my son's right there. Around.
Stop doing that, dude.
I promise you, this is going to go bad for you.
Want to catch a charge for resisting?
Go ahead.
You because I know it's not. But you gotta understand, sir, like, that's my wife.
No, I can see you're stressed, man. I can see y'all are aggravated.
This right here pulled me over last time. I went to jail, got all taken care of. He was cool last time, now he wants to think about cool. Like,
well, no one's trying to be a dick, dude.
Like, you guys
well, no one's trying to be like that.
I wasn't trying to be like anything either, but you gotta understand, that's my wife. My son just took off walking because he's scared of you guys.
No, you were the one escalating the situation.
Yeah, exactly, because
that's
he
why
knows
he's
how
scared.
you guys are gonna get.
Was I being rude to you?
No,
was I
sir,
being rude?
Get in the back of my car or you're going to jail for resisting.
Hey, you need to be more respectful.
No, you need to do what you're told.
Wills, you need to be a little bit more
run the
respectful.
situation I do. Get in the car.
You need to be a little bit more respectful.
Get in the
I would
car.
be a lot more. I'd be a lot more
Get in the car.
if you be a lot more respectful. Fuck.